Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be talking about EIKONIKOS Land Sale, mint date, mint price, and different tiers that they offering. So as you can see on Twitter, mint date is set to June 5th. That's a public mint. And then you have to complete registration from June 1st to June 3rd. And if you have a whitelist spot, or if you're on their Discord with Warrior Role, then you'll have to go to Warrior announcement to get more details when whitelist is going to be able to mint. So if we go to EIKONIKOS website and we scroll down, this is different tiers that they offering. So the first passport is going to be bronze passport. With bronze passport, as you can see, supply is going to be 35% out of total supply, and total supply is 12,345 passports. So the bronze passport supply is going to be 35%, and here are some perks: bronze hoodie, sleeping pod, and it's going to include 4 lands of plot in the bronze district. And the next one is a silver. So silver is going to include same thing as a bronze, and on top of that is going to have 1 silver grade yacht. And the supply is smaller, so silver contains 30% of the total supply. The next one is going to be gold, same as the silver and bronze, and on top of that is going to have 1 gold Pegasus. And the supply again is getting smaller and smaller. For the gold is 25. The next one is platinum. Platinum is 8.8 total supply, and on top of what you've been getting with the other passports, with this one you're also gonna get Genesis Tower. And then the next one, the last one, is the diamond. That's the best one. This one is only 1.2% out of the entire supply, and with that you're gonna get also 1 diamond villa. And if you would like to go through each passport and see the details, I'm gonna leave link in the description below. And then if we're gonna go to Discord, so in their Discord we can see again registration June 1st through 3rd, and then mint date is gonna be a public mint on June 5th, and this is gonna be a mint price 396 USDT. But what they're gonna do before the mint, they're gonna convert that price into ADA. So actual sale is gonna be held in ADA, but the total amount is still gonna cost 396. So here's what they're doing. They're actually bundling up each tier. So that's why up front you have to pay almost $400 instead of just buying each land separately. So here's another explanation. Lowest tier, that's the bronze one. It's gonna contain 5 free NFTs, including 4 land parcels. And then highest tier is going to contain 9 free NFTs, including 4 land parcels. And don't forget, you'll have to join the Discord to complete your address registration. And while you're actually going to be registering, you don't have to have Cardano or funds in your wallet to complete the registration. And this is pretty much it. Hopefully this video makes sense how they're going to be holding their land sale. They're taking a little different approach versus other metaverse, the ones that are selling each plot individually, versus in this one they're bundling up and you'll be paying $400 for an entire bundle. And again, once you're going to be minting, you're not going to know which passport you're going to get until you're actually going to mint. And it could be bronze or it could be diamond. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.